Community banks all over are facing the challenges of trying to do the things in-house that need to be done. It requires a lot of expertise, specialized expertise. It requires a lot of hours and resources to get things done that are expected to be done in a community bank today.
We're bankers. We know how to help people make good decisions about their money and their investments and how to optimize that. What we don't know about is cybersecurity. And for us to try to learn that and to really be good at it's where we needed ImageQuest as a partner.
They really kind of become a part of your team. You know, we don't think of ImageQuest as being, well, that's that bunch in Nashville, that kind of that outside group that comes to help us. We think of ImageQuest as First Southern National Bank team members because they kind of are. So it really enables community banks to measure up to the standards and the expectations of the regulatory environment, while at the same time being able to develop systems that protect the bank and protect the information in the bank. So outsourcing is a great option for community banks, and ImageQuest has proved, at least in my mind, to be a great choice in that regard.
What Milton and his group have been able to do is make us all and our board sleep easier at night, knowing that they're monitoring our systems. They've enhanced our protocols. We're safer. Our customers' data is safer. And so for me, it was finding a partner that could really solve problems that I didn't know how to solve, that I didn't have any expertise in.
Our systems are monitored, and we know our systems are more up to date and better protected than they used to be. We just went through a regulatory exam, and ImageQuest was right there by our side to help answer questions, provide documentation in all of the areas that they're helping us in, and that went very well with good remarks from the examiners. So it's been a great experience, and I couldn't have done it without them. I feel much better today than what I felt a year to a year and a half ago.
What I really love about ImageQuest is they can take a problem and translate it to where I can understand it, and then they can also find a solution and transmit that back in a manner that's easy to understand for me, but it also is easy to understand for the technical people on the other side, as well as our board and our examiners. I really feel like they stand in the gap between point A to point B of the data flow and really can break that down to where everybody can understand it and feel secure about the solution they've created.